for the lies. And that's for everything else.
The ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the... Get down! This thing never steals food, never shows itself, and... never misses. Unknown, size unknown, the unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, I that pray does not find you.
Pain. Love it.
Okay, but I hit a Night Fury. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa! I knew it. I'm dead. I could get used to it.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Douglas! Hey, Doc!
Yeah, me too.
You don't have to go up there.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard.
I'm proud to call you my son.
Thanks, Dad.
He's up! Get Snotmouth out of there!
I'm on it first! I'm ahead of you!
Let me try.
No, this way! Hey, don't push me!
Your teeth out!
No, yeah, well, that worked! Okay, let's see if it can use them. You think that did it? Well, he can fly. Okay, Toothless. Time to disappear. Come on, bud! Here it comes! Watch out! Okay, time's up. Let's see if this works. Come on! They're the best you can do! Stay with me, buddy. We're good. Just a little bit longer. Hold, Toothless. No! No!
Şimdi buna dur diyemezsin. Sözlerin, gözlerin, ellerin.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want